we're gonna decorate our Christmas tree. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little tour of my living room, dining room and kitchen. But before I do so, I would love for you to join me as I decorate this beautiful tree with the girls. They love to decorate the Christmas tree, so I always have to make sure that I have them join me as I do so. So let's get going. When I put my Christmas tree together, I like to go by colors. This year I'm staying with the same theme of white and gold. As you can see, the little one is really enjoying this. Her sister went downstairs to help with the other tree because that one is a little bit more colorful. She's going to join us back when we put the gold decor. So I found these beautiful ballerinas for the tree, and of course the girls are using these as the Barbies. Obviously, when you decorate with kids, you have to give them space to play when they need to and just let them enjoy the time.
Barry, get off the floor. It's staying. I'm not Barry. That's not fair to you.
So this year I added a few pieces like this beautiful gold deer. I was so happy I found this deer. I always wanted those deer that kind of like stand and they're like tall, but I couldn't find any that I liked. They had silver but I didn't like it, so I grabbed this one. Along with that, I also found this black angel. Saw this piece there and I was like, I must have it, so I grabbed it. And I love how he puts this look together, and I'm so glad I grabbed this. If you made it this far in the video, I am grateful, I am thankful for you. Make sure to hit that like button and also the notification bell. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Have a wonderful holiday and Merry Christmas to you and your family.